So I'm going to show you how to record the screen of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now this is very simple. You simply swipe down from the upper right side to go to the quick settings panel, and then you can swipe down again to see all the icons properly, and you're looking for this screen recorder icon. So tap on it. It's going to give you this pop-up, so you can choose whether you want to record media sounds together with your screen recording, or you want to record both media sounds and microphone sounds, which is basically your ambient sound, including your own voice. And also you can choose if you want to show taps and touches in your screen recording. And then you can tap on start recording. It's going to give you a 3-second timer, and now it's recording everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing, and you can see the taps and touches are also getting recorded. Okay, so now whatever you do is going to get recorded. Now at the top here, this is where you control your recording. You can have this pen icon so that you can draw and annotate things. Okay, just like that. You can use the S Pen. So if you tap here, you can actually draw with the S Pen in your screen recording. Okay, and then also you can, let me just remove this. So you can actually also bring up the front facing camera. So if you want, for example, if you need your face in that screen recording like that, you can bring it on there, and then you can pause the screen recording, continue recording, and then you can stop the recording by tapping on this stop button. All these screen recordings will be saved in your gallery. So if you go into your gallery, you will see your screen recording. Let's have a listen. Let's watch this. Everything I'm doing, and you can see the taps and touches are also getting recorded. Okay, so now whatever you do. So that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching, and good luck.